Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So a few days back I told you guys that my hair was getting a little bit damaged, and because of the pollution, mainly because I live in Kanpur and northern India is generally a lot polluted. So because of that, and also the harsh shooting lights where I have to film for hours every day, it really damages your hair. So what I did was that I asked my hairdresser, and my hairdresser actually recommended me this range of L'Oreal Professionals hair products. So this range contains of 3 products. The very first product is the Gold Quinoa Plus Protein Shampoo. This is what it looks like. Such a beautiful packaging. It comes in this gold like packaging, super beautiful. Now this is super nice. The next product is their mask. This is what it looks like. Now I needed something a little more intense than conditioners, because I used to use conditioners first, but they didn't moisturize and deep condition my hair as this mask does. So I switched over to this. Now the third product that I got in this range is this serum. This is used to actually make your hair look shinier and more glowy, which is super cool. So this is what the professional hairdressers use, and you will see celebrities using this. It's super good. And now it is time to showcase my hair care routine. So let's switch over to the bathroom. So the very first step of my hair care routine is using shampoo. Now I'm using the L'Oreal Professional shampoo, as I mentioned before. Now what I do is I just wet my palm and then take some shampoo on it and rub it gently on my scalp, and this results in my hair being smooth and extremely soft. The next step is using the L'Oreal Professionals mask. Now when I open the tin of the mask, it is super creamy and buttery, and it just slides through your hair very easily. So just take some of the mask onto your fingers and apply it from your mid-length hair to your ends. Do not use it on your scalp, and leave it there for 3 to 5 minutes and let it sit. After you have done that, just rinse it off and you'll be good to go. I just rinsed off the mask and my hair feels so soft and so smooth, and they're totally not tangled. You understand me? And this mask is a total game changer. I am definitely going to use it again and again in my hair care routine. It is super good. Last step to my hair care routine is the serum. Now this is also a really powerful product. So what I'm going to do is just going to take a few drops and apply it to my hair. How you can apply this is just take a few drops onto your hand like that, and then apply it from your mid-lengths to your ends. And my hair are towel dried, by the way, so it's not completely dried, it's just towel dried. And this will really make my hair feel all nourished and glowy, so it'll give you that red carpet look, if that makes sense. This is what my hair looks after it is all dried up, and after I have brushed it. It's super soft, it's super smooth. You can see the difference here on the screen yourself. I cannot even stop touching my hair. I know it's an obsession, but it's so, my hair feels literally so good. So anyways, all these products will be linked in the description box below, along with L'Oreal Professionals website, and also you can find these products on Flipkart. I'll leave the links in the description, so make sure that you check them out. So that was all, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.